Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is finally a makeup tutorial. I was supposed to upload this before Valentine's Day, but today's the day after Valentine's Day and I'm gonna upload this tomorrow. So if you're going out on the weekend, feel free to try this makeup look. If not, I'm so sorry. But this is still a good, cute glam for all the time I film, not just Valentine's Day. First I'm starting off with my brows. If you see my last video, I did upload my newest brow routine and I'm basically using all the same products from that video. I'd also like to mention my eyebrows are jacked right now so bad. One, I bumped my hand while I was shaving my brows and completely misplaced the front of my brows, like the bottom front of my brows. And I was so upset. And not only that, I also was doing my brows, shaving them in front of the mirror in my bathroom without my glasses on. But I was pretty far away too, so that was it was another mistake. I don't know what was going on in my head, but I guess it just happened. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this shit ain't all bad. Nothing but a murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Next, I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as a primer, per usual. And I only use a little bit of this. I just dab on little 3 dots, and then I blend it out with my brush. And then I set it with the Wet n Wild Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna. So for shadow, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Whatever eyeshadow palette. And I truly apologize. I picked up the eyeshadow palette in the start of the tutorial. And I was showing you guys what shadows I was using. And then suddenly, for the rest of the tutorial, I didn't do that. So I apologize. But I didn't use too many different eyeshadows in this look. So you can kind of tell what shade I use by what I'm putting on my eyes, to be honest. There's only one orange in there, I believe. There's only one shimmer in there, you know, the red shades. I'm sure you can probably tell. But yeah, at least I showed you guys the eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be blending this shade out all the way basically to my hairline. I have just been loving that look with a really blown out eyeshadow. It's been my thing as of lately. And we're doing a half cut crease today. Not super duper precise. I didn't really care so much about precision. I just wanted it to be a visible half cut crease, but not super duper crispy. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Profusion This is the eye primer. It's similar to the P. Louise eye primer base, I believe, or like eye paints. You could go in with like a Q-tip or a lip gloss wand and clean up your eyeshadow before you cut your crease, essentially. But like I said, I wasn't going for like the super perfect cut crease, so for that reason I just went over the eyeshadow that's there. I didn't really care if I had eyeshadow underneath this primer. If you are the type of person that does cake up really easily on the eyelids, you may want to go ahead and use micellar water so that you don't end up with like very cakey eyelids. I probably should have done that because my eyes can get pretty cakey, but I just didn't. I didn't. It still looks good though. I love the way this eyeshadow look came out in the end. Still looks bomb. Now I'm taking that dark burgundy that I applied into my crease and also applying that in my outer corner and blending that into my half cut crease. I really want to make sure that the line is seamless as possible. Now I was taking the darkest shade in that whatever palette and I was applying it to my outer corner. However, I went in with a liquid liner here in a second and I ended up putting the shadow over the liquid liner again, so you can skip this part right here if you wanted to. Now for liner, I'm using the Sephora Collection Precision Eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner. It's been a huge hit for me. One thing I can say is that the dryness is pretty uneven. And not that the color payoff is uneven, but like some parts of the liner would be matte and then some parts would be kind of like a satin finish. So I'm really unsure about that. But when I find a really great matte liquid liner, I will tell you guys. For now, this is a really great liquid liner. And as you can see, now I'm putting that deep shade over the liquid liner. And you don't really need to do it before. I don't know why I did it before. But yeah, actually I do know why, because I really wasn't going to put eyeliner to begin with. But I did that and I was like, I need a little bit of eyeliner. And that's why I did it in that order. Right now I'm just putting a nude eyeliner in my waterline, and as you can see, I'm fighting for my life. You guys, I don't wear makeup as often as I used to, and back in the day I used to put everything in my waterline, like no issues, no problems. But I guess ever since I don't wear my makeup so much, my eyes have gotten so sensitive to like it tickles so hard. It makes my eyes water so hard when I put anything in my waterline. It's so annoying. I honestly don't know what to do. Alrighty, so right now we're going to be leaving the eyes and going on to the face. And for primers, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Glow Lotion. And I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, just where I have larger pores. For foundations, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow and the L'Oreal True Match. I've really been loving this combination lately. I love the NYX Born to Glow on its own. However, with the True Match, bomb. But yes. So for concealer, I'm also going to be using the NYX Born to Glow concealer. You guys, I swear I'm always so surprised that I'm still using this concealer, because when I first got it, I wanted to complain. I wanted to message NYX everywhere and be like, oh, why is my concealer half filled? But I've been using it for months now and I'm still going strong on it. Like, I still have products in it, so I really don't understand why the container felt empty, but I'm still have a shit ton of product. It's crazy. But yeah, so I'm using that concealer, and I'm going to be setting that concealer with a velvet powder puff using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana translucent setting powder. You're gonna see right here that I actually started blending out my concealer with a brush, and then I blended it out with a sponge. And the whole reason that I did that is just so that I can get a more even coverage and I don't have to be dragging my sponge so hard, since I did use such a light layer of concealer. That roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Essence of Sculpt matte bronzing powder, and I'm going to be taking this with a fluffy brush and just going to be blonding my face, and then I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and using that to contour. Let's talk real quick. I have been using this bronzer palette for forever, and I really haven't tried new bronzers, but I've honestly been obsessed with bronzing. Like, it's literally probably my second favorite part of doing my makeup is bronzing my face, because it's adding color back to my face. I swear, I feel like back in the day when I first started doing makeup in like 2010, adding color to your face wasn't the thing. You wanted to look as pale as possible. You wanted to look as flat as possible. And now it's all about adding color to your face and dimension, and it's my most favorite thing ever. Face products in itself, I absolutely love. I can't wait to try the Tower 28, and I think it's Milk that's also coming out with cream bronzers. I love cream bronzers. I use foundations as cream bronzers a lot of the times, but y'all, I've just been so lazy with my contour that I only want to use powder, because I set my cream with powder, and it's a whole step-by-step type of process. But I really want to try these new techniques that are like on TikTok and stuff, so maybe you'll see a video of that. Oh, but we're back on the eyes. I was not looking down at my screen, but yeah, we're back on the eyes. I'm going to be adding that burgundy shade to the outer corner of my lower lash. I'm not going to be dragging those shades all the way in, since I did wing this eyeshadow out so much. I don't want to leave my lower lash line bare, but I also don't want to overpower it as well. Now, to add some lightness to my inner corners, I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Coco Bling, and I'm also going to be using this as a nose highlight. I've really been loving nose highlights as well. I really haven't been highlighting my face, like my cheekbones and all that stuff. One, I feel like it really emphasizes texture, and two, I have a pretty round face, so I don't need extra light coming across the whole thing. Like, the nose is so cute for me. That's where the light hits the most for me, so I'm gonna keep the nose highlight. I don't know how I feel about face highlight anymore. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Sephora Collection mascara. Absolutely love this mascara. Oh, well, I actually kind of like this mascara. I don't have the best of lashes, so it's like whatever. This mascara is more of a wet formula mascara, and I'm just waiting for the day that it dries down, because I know it's going to be bomb. Once it dries down, I know it's going to be bomb. Right now, it's still fresh and new, so it is still a little bit wet. But yeah, I love this for my lower lash line though. So cute. And now I'm going to be doing my lashes. And I don't know what it is, but my glue has been making me struggle with my lashes. It's absolutely ridiculous. I use the Duo Strip Lash Glue. Now, before filming videos, never gives me issues. I never have a problem with my lashes. They're good. It's all cool, you know? As soon as I start filming and I'm trying to apply my lashes while I'm filming, I literally have to apply my lashes like 2 or 3 times. I don't understand. It's not like I'm waiting for a long time. I'm not even waiting 10 seconds. It's just, it's a lot of hoopla, and I'm kind of tired of it. So if you have any good lash glue recommendations, go ahead and leave them down below, because I'm about to hurt somebody. It's no good. And yeah, what am I gonna do next? Oh, it's onto the lips. So yes, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop lip liner. This is by Shayla. Like, this is their collab with Shayla, and this is BFF4. It's really dark. Absolutely love it. You couldn't take me away from this lip liner like a year ago. I would use it all the time. Nowadays, on my more natural days, I don't use such a dark lip liner, but girl, back in the day, dark lip liner was the thing for me. And for liquid lipstick, I'm using this liquid lipstick by Q Best. It came in a set, so I don't really know what the name or number is. And yeah, I can't give you much information on it because I don't even know where you can buy it anymore. But it was just in my collection. I do know that I did use Abu Dhabi by NYX, their soft matte lip cream, right in the center to help lighten that up, because the lip was looking a bit dark for me. But yeah, and then I'm going to be setting my face with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. That's the setting spray I've been using. Like, if you see me misting myself, I've been using that setting spray this whole time. But yeah, you guys, I really liked making this video. It's really been fun making makeup tutorials again. I wish I could do more, and I probably can do more, and I should do more. It is just a little bit more difficult when I'm filming a bunch of other things on top of, you know, obviously handling my business. I am a full-time lash tech esthetician. I do facials, I do makeup, I do skincare. Oh no, that's the same thing as facials. I do lashes. That's my main thing, or the main thing that people actually book from me is lashes. So I'm pretty busy 6 days of the week. But yeah, I hope I can find a little bit more extra time to really just sit down and make more videos. I really enjoy them, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.